up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today's video, I'm going to be reacting to J-Hope's Airplane music video. I woke up this morning and I saw that there was this MV for Airplane, and I was like, what? I had no idea. Oh my gosh, the minute I saw it, I texted Autumn. I was like, do I react to this or do I just watch it because I want to watch it so bad? So make sure that you subscribe so that you guys can see her reaction for this as well. Oh my gosh, I am so excited because Airplane is like the song I like the most after Daydream. I already went on and like people have already reacted to this, so I was like, I need to watch this because I need to. I need to. I'm super excited to see what the music video is all about. So let's just jump in. I'm gonna try not to pause it too. I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm already pausing it. His videos for his mixtape are unreal. Like, Daydream is so good with like visuals and stuff. And that little section right there with all the stars moving, I already know this is gonna be amazing. Oh, his hair's crimped. No! Okay, this whole, like, this scene right here is, it looks just like, you know, a scene from his Daydream. So I wonder if he, like he made it all connected in some way. Is he gonna dance in this one? Probably not. It's a pretty chill, low-key song. Whoa! Why does that car look like the car from Back to the Future? Yes! Get it! Ooh, that profile! Huh. His bucket hat. This video, oh my gosh, it's so chill, but it's so cool. He's literally doing nothing. He's just walking around rapping. He's just, this is the same set. That is the same set from Daydream. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's over already. Okay, all right. It's so much different than Daydream, of course, like the whole song's like different. Seems like the same set. J-Hope is so, I feel like he's so underrated and it is disgusting because he's so talented. I mean, like, this only has 460,000 views on it and it came out this morning. Why? Why does it only have that much? I'd have to say through that music video, I was probably like medium well cooked. But let me know what you guys thought of that music video if you guys have watched it, what your thoughts are on his mixtape like in general. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can come back and watch all of the reactions that we do. This week is gonna be kind of crazy with reactions just because of J-Hope. And make sure you guys follow us on Twitter and comment like videos that you guys want to react. You guys are already starting to send us suggestions, which is really awesome. Oh, but yeah, I don't think I have anything left to say, so I will see you guys in my next reaction. Bye!